very well, realize that the value of 5 in 0.0513 falls under 500. This is how it is: 500 with THS at the end, and the answer corresponds to D. So the answer there is D. We go to our answer sheet, we put 2D. Okay, we move on with question 3. Question 3. What does question 3 says? Question 3 says that the product, question 3, the product y to the power a dot y to the power 2a simplifies to, okay, we have a 2y to the all to the power 3a, we have b 2y all to the power 3a, c y to the power 3a squared, then d we have y to the power 4a. Good. Okay, now in order to work out the solution to this, you need to recall laws of indices, which was done in class right in form 2 and also in form 3. Okay, now we take a product of this. We have y to the power a times y to the power 2a. Okay, will be equal to, will you check the base? This has been written in index form, so y in the first term we have y to the power a, second term we have y to the power 2a. Okay, so you realize that this part of this and this is called the base. So we have the same base in both terms, and what are we going to do with the power? From the laws of indices, we are going to add the powers. There's a law of indices that says that when you are multiplying two numbers in index form which have the same basis, then you add their powers. So we have a plus 2a, which is equal to y to the power, we have 3a. So that's the solution. If you check the options that are given, it corresponds to number it corresponds to B. That's the second option. So we go to our answer sheet 3. It gives us the right answer, which is B. We go to question 4. Question 4. Question 4 says that at town P, let's sketch this. At town P, we have a number, a line. This town is called P, comma, the temperature is minus 10 degrees Celsius. Then we have at town Q, the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius. Please, okay, so the first temperature at point P, that's the first value of the temperature, we can call it theta 1, and at point Q, the value of temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, we call that theta 2. So we are asked to look for the increase in temperature between towns P and Q is, we have A 40 degrees Celsius, B 20 degrees Celsius, C minus 40 degrees Celsius, and D minus 20 degrees Celsius. Okay, how do we look for increase in temperature between the town? It will be equal to the final temperature, which is theta 2, minus the initial temperature, which is theta 1. And this can be written as, we substitute the values. Theta 2 is 30 degrees Celsius minus, we have minus 10 degrees Celsius, which is going to give us a temperature increase of 40 degrees Celsius. Why is it 40? Because when we have two minus signs, they all tend to positive, so that's the value. And if you look at the options that are given, you will see that A is the right answer. We'll go to the answer sheet, we'll write the value A. Okay, we go to question 5. What does question 5 says? Question 5 says that, it says that, okay, the square root of 45 simplifies, okay, simplifies to, okay, the different options are given. A 15, B 5 times root 3, we have C 9 root 5, we have D 3 root 5. Okay, you have to understand that this question from your lessons taught in class, this question is coming from the topic that we call sets, and that is a topic which is from is from the topic that you treated, certainly in form 3 or 4. Okay, so what do? You write the square root of 45 equal to the square root. You write it like that, you break down, you ask yourself, what is that perfect square that if you multiply by another number is going to give you this result under the square root? So I think of a perfect square. What is a perfect square? It's a result of is a result of the multiplication of two of a number by itself. For example, if we take a perfect square like 9 is from the multiplication of 3 by itself, it gives us 9. So if we write 9 times 5, okay, it will help us resolve that question. It will be equal to, we separate the square root sign, the square root of 9 alone times now the square root of 5 alone, which is equal to the square root of 9 alone will give us 3 times root 5, which can be written as final answer 3 root 5. Okay, that's it. If you check the options that are given, we have D is actually the right answer. Okay, if you have any worries, you click to the link below so that you get more information that will help you answer your worries, or you can also type on the comment section below this channel. You are going to have answers to your worry. And I want to let you know that for you to have access to paper 2 solutions, you subscribe so that anytime that we upload a video, you are going to see it and have access to it. So we are going to continue in our next video. Bye bye.